Hi, my name is Courtney and I'm a professional esthetician. I get to help people every day find the best products for their skin, and I'm really excited to talk to you about a body product from the TeMana line, the TeMana Noni Brightening Body Refiner. My friend Jess is here with us today, and she's going to help me to demo this product so that way you can learn how to incorporate the body refiner in your daily skincare regimen. Have you used a body refiner or a body exfoliator before when you've been in the shower?
I've used an exfoliator before, but most of them have been pretty harsh on my skin. I haven't liked how rough it is.
Okay, that's actually really common, and that's one of the reasons why I love the TeMana body refiner so much. It includes the noni seed as the exfoliator. One of the reasons why your skin can feel so harsh after you use a different kind of exfoliator is because it often contains little plastic microbeads, and those aren't really good for your skin. But the exfoliator inside of the TeMana body refiner is crushed up noni seed. So even the exfoliant inside of this gel is helping to provide moisture and nutrition to your skin, which I think is pretty amazing.
That is.
Normally, when you use the body refiner, you would be in the shower, but for obvious reasons, we're just going to demo on Jess's arm today to show you how you would apply the body refiner across your whole body. So to get started, you're going to first wet the area that you're going to refine. If you're in the shower, that doesn't seem like it would be much of a problem. Refining in the shower is going to be strategic because the steam is going to help open your pores and help the refiner to really exfoliate deep into the pores. After the skin is wet, then we can go ahead and apply the body refiner. So it's important to use a generous amount. Okay. And you can even see the bits of the noni seed inside of that, which I think is really cool. The exfoliant is actually going to help and nourish your skin while it's taking off those dead skin cells. Go ahead and in small circles, apply the refiner, and you want to apply with a little bit of pressure. The skin on your body is a little bit more resilient than the skin on your face. So when you refine the skin, you want to really use pressure and get those noni seeds to help take off any dead skin. Now, a very common problem that people face throughout any time of year is dehydrated skin, which the noni will moisturize it, dull skin, which the noni will brighten and illuminate your whole body, making it glow and look young and youthful. And using an exfoliator is going to really help even the texture of your skin. Now, a lot of people get bumps all over their skin on their body because it's probably one of the last places that you're going to exfoliate or apply moisturizer as regularly as you should. So really getting into those areas where you may have uneven skin texture or bumps, I personally like to exfoliate on the back of my arms or my elbows, where my elbows are really rough. Other rough areas may include your knees, your heels or feet in the shower. Make sure that you're getting the exfoliator on your back, where a lot of people have large pores or acne. All of these places are going to benefit from the noni inside of the body refiner.
Yeah, it feels really good. It's not too harsh.
Good. Mm-hmm. I love that about it too. It's the perfect amount of, you know that it's working because you can feel the noni seeds on your skin, but it's not making her skin red or irritated. It's not stripping her skin of any of its natural moisture or natural nutrients. It's really helping the skin to regenerate healthy skin cells. Now, to remove the body refiner, normally when you're in the shower, you're just gonna wash off. But you can either rinse off with the water or use a clean, damp towel to wipe the exfoliator off of your arm. And you want to try and get as much of the product and noni seeds off as possible, so that way your moisturizer can penetrate into the skin and nourish it the way that it needs to be nourished. How does your skin feel after you've exfoliated with this body refiner?
It feels really nice. It wasn't too harsh on my skin, which can be pretty sensitive to these things. And so it's definitely, I felt the exfoliation in it, but now it feels really hydrated and soft. Yeah, it feels really soft. When you compare it to the arms, like you can see a total difference.
It's amazing what Noni can do when you're using it on the face, but also when we're using it on the body as well. And the body, the way our skin on our body is it's just naturally a little bit rougher, and we use it in different ways. And so it's important that we're really exfoliating our body and we're getting rid of those dead skin cells so our body can reproduce healthy new skin cells and keep our skin young and glowing. If you have any questions or you would like to purchase the TeMana Body Refiner, please reach out to the person who shared this video with you. They can help you with anything that you may need. You may also send any questions to our Facebook. Thanks for being here today, Jess. It was so wonderful having you, and your skin looks beautiful. I'm really glad that you were here to help demonstrate how to use the body refiner every day in the shower.
Thank you for letting me try it out. I really enjoyed it.
Thanks for listening, and have a wonderful day.